Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to fix Do Not Disturb mode automatically turned on in your Android phone. See here in my phone, I go to the notification area and I see Do Not Disturb is turned on already. If I turn it off manually, after some particular time, it will automatically turn on. Okay, so this is the problem I face. Even if you face this problem, you can get rid of. What you have to do, just follow this video. So if it is already turned on and if after turn it off manually, it will automatically turn on, means there will be some schedule in your phone. Okay, so what you have to do, go to do not disturb and long press on do not disturb here and go to details here, so that you will have a schedule here. So according to the schedule, it is automatically turned on. Okay, so scheduling time is 10 p.m. to next day 3:59 p.m. Okay, so next day after this 3:59 p.m. It will be in manual mode. Okay, so during this period, okay, so here every day is set. Okay, during this period 10 p.m. to next day up to 3:59 p.m. automatic already is activated in your phone. Okay, so you got to delete this schedule, or you got to turn it off the schedule, so that only it will not automatically turn on. Okay, even if you turn off manually. Okay, so now this is manually turned on. Okay, see, so if you turn it off, it will be turned off immediately, and until you turn it on, it will not automatically activated. Okay, so you can get rid of this problem using this. Okay, so what you have to do, long press on do not disturb and go to details. If there is one or more schedule, just turn it off those schedule, or completely delete those schedule if you want. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.